Hello everyone, this is Neha Tulsyan from Crescent Creation. Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share how I colored these two images from the Kindred Stamps Manor Haunt stamp set. I used these two images on an interactive card that I created on a Facebook live video in Kindred Stamps fan club Facebook group. If you're interested in watching how I created this card, the link to the video is in the description box below. I stamped the images using some black ink that's Copic friendly on Accent Opaque 80 lb's white cardstock. I either use Nina Solar White or Accent Opaque cardstock, both in 80 lb's for my Copic coloring. The Copic markers used are listed on the top left of the screen from dark to light. Now I'm going to put some music for you to enjoy the coloring, so go ahead and grab some beverage that you like and enjoy the rest of the video. I'm done coloring here. I used my scan and cut to fuzzy cut both these images. And now I'm adding some glossy accent to my skeleton's eye and the crystal ball. Once the glossy accent dries completely, the images will be ready to use. So this was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you would like to see how I created this interactive card, don't forget to check out the link in the description box below. Here is another video that you might like to watch. Thank you for visiting. Have a nice day.